Psychological facts about quiet people. Hey curious minds, get ready to dive into the world of quiet people. Have you ever found an introverted person awfully quiet and wondered what were they thinking? Or why is their nature different from majority of the people? Today we dive into some of the psychological facts about quiet people. Number 8. Energy restoration. Quiet individuals often need time alone to recharge their energy. They may feel drained after prolonged social interactions and require solitude to rejuvenate. Number 7. Heightened sensitivity. Quiet people tend to be more sensitive to external stimuli, such as loud noises or crowded environments. Number 6. Deeper level of thinking. They may spend considerable time reflecting on complex ideas, analyzing information, and pondering philosophical or existential questions. Number 5. Observation skills. They pay attention to details and notice subtle cues in their environment and social interactions. Number 4. Self-sufficiency. They are comfortable relying on themselves and may prefer to work alone or take on tasks independently. Number 3. Thoughtful decision-making. They consider various factors, weigh different options, and reflect on the potential outcomes before coming to a conclusion. Number 2. Emotional depth. They may have a wide range of intense emotions and may find it challenging to express them openly. Number 1. Strength in one-on-one interactions. They are attentive listeners and can create a comfortable and safe space for meaningful conversations. Remember that these are general observations and not every quiet person will exhibit all these characteristics. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, I invite you to subscribe to my channel for more thought-provoking content on personal growth and human nature. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss any future updates.